Got this thing looking absolutely fresh right now. Nice polish on the frame too. Gonna be ashamed to get it dirty today. So we're gonna load the stuff up, got the gear bag. And yeah, we're gonna head over there. Should be a fun day. Gonna bring some shovels, build some jumps in the pits. Yeah, so stay tuned and enjoy the ride. Hop in the CRV today because my dad's got that tonneau cover on the truck and it's always a hassle taking that thing off. Alright, got that all set up. I did paint this trailer, it didn't turn out too bad. Decided might as well paint it black. Since like the silver is kinda looks like trash. So yeah, it turned out not bad. This thing's looking good in the sun. Got the polished frame, everything's looking good. Might be due for an oil change, but it's a problem for another day. I'm gonna run her how she is. Got the fresh knobbies on there. Got the fresh fork seals. All new linkage bushings. So she's ready to go. Gonna grab some shovels. And we're gonna get out of here. Never a bad idea to fill up before I leave the house. You probably will anyway. Holy shit, I can get why people put this thing on so tight. There's no reason to be that tight. Alright, here it goes nothing. Oh, we're spilling. Oh, right to the top. So we're out here in the sand pit. Came across this jump. It's pretty ran down, so put a new lip on it. We gotta pack it down. And Brayden over here is just fixing up the landing. It's all like washed out. There's a bit of snow. We're probably gonna be landing like there. There you go. Let's go check out his bike. So he's got the 450. 250's been keeping up, no problem. Yeah, Cowie, 450. Thing, I tried it and the thing actually rips. Yeah, we're gonna do some test hits on this thing, and gonna film some stuff for you guys. Look at these guys over here. What are they doing? They better not come over here and wreck our jump. Alright, so we made a steeper lip on the jump. It seems to send you higher and almost like evens you out, which is good. Holy fuck! He almost ate it there. One leg came off. Oh, 1 footer! There you go! Holy shit! Whoa! Ride her down! No! What was that? What? Dude, that was hilarious.
Yeah, that's way further than mine.
Freaking sandpit owner came in here, made this big, massive double. I'm not getting this thing. If it was tabletop, sure, but I'm not trying that. And my gas is still here, so that's good. Nobody stole it. I'm gonna go for it. Woo!
Just wipe out again.
Fuck no.